Hey guys, what's up? I am getting ready to redo my hair. I'm gonna put some more crochets in it, which I really enjoyed this style because it was so easy to do. I did it myself. I actually used the crochet cap and it was the first time. You can kind of see it. I mean, it wasn't perfect, but it definitely got the job done. I kept this style for 2 weeks and I was pretty pleased with it. So I got some more crochet hair. This one is water wave, and it is, who makes it? Raya. It's by Raya. This time, this was in the color 1, but this time I got 1B30 and I got just a 30. So this is what this looks like. I'm not about to do a full tutorial on it, but I'll kind of try to get some clips of me installing it and let you guys see what the finished product looks like. So let me get started.